going on, guys? It's Kuz, and in today's video, I'm showing you a custom script that you could add on to your Thinkorswim if you want more useful information than what they offer standard. So, as you can see on my Thinkorswim chart, it's a pretty basic chart. It should look like yours. Only difference is that my green candles are hollow candles and my red candles are white candles. As you can see, there's no volume currently on the chart. In order to add volume, click the little gear icon at the top. Make sure you click Equities and then click Show Volume Subgraph. Click Apply. Now we have volume here at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see, based on these volume bars, it shows you the total amount of volume based on the candle that is up here corresponding to what's down here. Yes, this is useful. Only issue with this is that we don't know if it's buying or selling volume, which could make a big difference in our trades. So in order to fix this, I use this custom script that shows more information on the volume bars. As you can see, it actually shows us whether it's selling or buying volume based on the color of the candle. Red is sellers and green is buyers. It also gives you this information right here to the left. The white box is the total volume for the day. The green box is the volume for the current candle that is now forming. The orange box is for the last candle and the total amount of volume. And then the last box is the pre-market volume, which shows you the amount of volume in the pre-market. Another thing it offers is this orange line right here. This orange line is basically the average volume over a certain period of time, and it comes standard with the 50 day, so 50 moving average. As you can see, this indicator comes to be useful when you're entering your trades. I trade supply and demand, so I like to buy at pivot points where people have their stop losses. And this comes in handy because if you can see down here, at this part of the chart, at the bottom of the day, you can see that there was more buying pressure than any of the candles previously. So this signified that this was going to be the bottom. And these volume bars are forming as price is being traded. And it goes on throughout the day. And then we get here to the top of the day. As you can see down here, there's more selling pressure than anywhere in the day. And that signified that that was the top for the day. As you can see, the stock continued to fall. And then towards the day, we got a bunch of selling pressure. So if you guys want to add this custom indicator to your charts, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is click Studies, Edit Studies, you click Create, and then you go down to the comment section below. You Control C, Control V on the comment, and then you paste the script. Once you're done doing that, you click OK, and then you click Apply, and then you'll have the buy, sell volume script. I changed the colors in mine because I don't like how bright these colors were. So if you guys want to mess around with your settings, it's pretty simple. You click Studies, Edit Studies. You go to the buy sell volume script, you click the gear, and then you could switch the color of anything, the selling, the buying, the volume, then the volume average. And another thing is if you guys want to switch the volume average, come standard 50 day like I mentioned, but all you got to do is go over the script and then you right click, edit sources, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you'll see input length 20. You can switch this to 30, 40, 50, whatever you guys want. This is just to show you guys that you could do that if you wanted to. But thank you for watching this video. It was pretty quick, pretty simple, but I hope it helps you guys in your trading journey. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, please make sure to leave that down in the comments below. But thank you for watching.